Alright, we got the Spring Fest. Yes, we gone to 2 different stores trying to get you guys the best deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell so you guys can hear the latest and greatest deals. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Now that the summer's around the corner, we got the coolers for the garages and the ACs. I do recommend one of these for the garage or for your shop area. These are really nice to have. These are split systems, and these are mostly DIYs, but you could buy cheaper ones at Amazon, or you can go out of the country and just buy yourself a really cheap one. But anyways, I do own 2 of these myself, not necessarily this size, but I do own 1/10 units, and they have been flawlessly. I mean, for like what 2 or 3 years already, so they have worked really well. All right, we got the Craftsman vacuum. This was $59.98, and then we got this Toro mower here. This is one of the best ones that they have, $549. It is a self-propelled model. Really like what Toro's doing with their mowers. Even if it's still gas, but still pretty good deal with that one. We got $299 down from $329 for the Eagle Power Load 16-inch telescoping trimmer. We got 765 CFM brush blower, or the string trimmer. Get a free 2.5 amp hour battery. It's a really nice fan here. If you own these batteries, might as well just buy yourself one of these fans. And that's the battery compartment. That's the control panel there. And then it is $249. And it is a misting model as well. So it does all the 2-in-1, the fan and the misting. You got $499, the 21-inch mower, self-propelled for a 6 amp hour battery. And then check this out. This one's $549. This 21-inch self-propelled 7.5 amp hour battery. Pretty good deals on these. And then the cheapest I've seen at least, $399. This is a 5621-inch push mower. They only have one of these left. $399 for the Cobalt 24-volt max 20-inch deck. That's a really good deal on that one as well. 14-inch chainsaw. This one's down to $219, down from $249. It is the kit. You got another mower here. This is pretty much a push mower, $299. It's a redesigned model. You got a 20-inch push mower, 6 amp hour battery charger. You got the Skill for $249, down from $329. Personally, I never used the Skill. Let us know in the comment section if you guys use any of these. You got 125cc push mower balance, $179 on clearance. This does vary by store or by price, so $399 for the 20-volt self-propelled lawnmower, 5 amp hour battery for the Craftsman. That's a self-propelled model, and then you got the push on the right. $429 for the Recycler, 150cc, 22-inch cut, self-propelled Toro. And then we got the 40-volt LED lights, Cobalt, $69.27, they're from $98. Again, $69.97 from $99. Power inverter, 300 watt. So if you got those batteries, might as well just buy something like this and use those batteries somewhere else. All right, you got another attachment here. Is a blower attachment, $43. Was $109. Now I don't know if you could use this attachment other. $579 down from $649 for the Craftsman. 2500 watt single fuel gasoline. You got the cargo bag, $34 down from $49. It's a really nice cargo bag right here. Not too bad on that one. All right, so onto you got a drill here. This is a Craftsman 1/2 inch drill. $79 down from $99. All right, you got some knee pads. It's $597 down from $998. Cobalt, low profile. Now these are pretty good. These are $14.37. I would definitely invest in something like that. And then they got just the same ones that we see all the time, the tough builds. I'm not gonna go over all of them because we see that all the time on these videos. All right, we got a clearance model here. It's 536 from Samsung. Make sure you guys take a look at the appliance section for these clearance items. These are really good deals. This is like half price. All right, so $14.92 down from $19. This is a dual headlights, for the Max Blast. That's what it looks like. You can put that on your hard hat or just wear it on the sports at night. All right, on to the DeWalt. You got $99 your choice here. You got a reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, circular saw, impact wrenches, 1/2 inch and 3/8. You got buy a customer starter kit, get a free tool. They still have these deals pretty good. These are all brushless tools. Definitely recommend. This DeWalt's a really good deal. You buy any of the tools, get a free pair of power stack batteries. Definitely check that out. Lots of good deals on this. Mix and match. I'm not going to go over all of it in detail. $14.97 for a 40 piece from the Bosch. These are solid bits. You got the shank hammer drill mercenary set and the 32 piece and 44 piece impact driving sets. These are really nice. I've used these and I really like the extension that it does come with. It's like a 3-inch, like a 3 or 4 inch extension there. And then you got the buy one get one free, so $159 will get you a free starter kit. Then $129 down from $199. These are great tools: Metabo HPT drill driver and impact driver with 2 batteries charger. Pretty good deal on this one, $129. It's a great starter kit for a DIY, even a pro. All right, talking about pros, check this out, guys. This is a killer deal. A 16 gauge narrow crown stapler, $169. This is for the kit. Can't believe how cheap these are. That's a really good deal. And right there, right next to it, it is the staples. I'll show you guys that in a second. So these are the staples, 18 gauge. All right, on to the next one. We do have another killer deal. This is the brand nailer 18 gauge. Kit does come with the battery and charger. That is a really good deal for that price as well. You got the battery and charger. Does come with the 2 amp hour battery, lithium ion technology. And those are the brand nails that you could use on it. All right, so they still got these deals. $249 for the circular saws. And then you got the impact wrenches, and then the impact drivers for $199, batteries for $149. And then that 4-tool combo kit for $499. So lots of good deals on these. This is the 4-tool combo kit. So you guys will take a look a little better. It does come with hammer drills, both of these. Hammer drill and impact driver. And that is the impact wrench, 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench with that big battery there. And the quick release impact driver or quick inject impact driver. Alright, so buy your choice of your 18 volt Pro Factor bare tool, get a free 8 amp hour battery for free. That's the way it sounds. Sounds pretty good. Really like the compact. These are the subcompact tools that they got from the Flex. I wish I could have put more audio on this, but guys, we got a killer deal for this one. This was SK Tools 7-piece combination wrench set. It's really hard to make a decision, guys. There's a lot of good tools, especially the DeWalt, the Flex. There's just so many good tools out there, including this 840 impact driver. That thing's a powerhouse, basically. If you guys haven't checked out the video, that thing goes against the Milwaukees, the DeWalts. I mean, the you know, the older DeWalts, the full size ones. That thing is, the 840 is a legend, basically. You got the 5-piece oscillating blade set, $34.98. Titanium bit set, 21 piece, $24.98. And then just some saw blades here, $59.98 and $49.98 for a pack of 2. Not bad deals. Metabo HPT 36 volt battery and charger, get a free tool. 7 1/4 hybrid cordless circular saw, or the. All right, check out the difference on these fences on these. You guys see how sloppy this thing is? And then check out the fence on this one. This was a racket pinion style. How smooth that thing is. I think that everybody just copied DeWalt, by the way. But check this one out. They do have an upgraded version of the Cobalt. Even Cobalt has it now. That is really nice. That is so nice. A little harder to read because of the black, but still pretty easy, pretty clear. And then this is the older Cobalts, the older style. It just goes all over the place. All right, so $134 down from $149 for the benchtop grinder, 6-inch. That's the way it looks. Really good brand. And we got this one for $170 for the 8-inch down from 189. And then you got the 8-inch benchtop grinding wheel, 537. Got yourself a couple of those extras. 197 benchtop saw. And then we got a scroll saw, 161, down from 262. And then check this deal out, guys. 227 piece mechanics tool set, what comes with ratchet sockets, all kinds of sorts of stuff. $99 down from $219. That is a really good deal on that one. Yeah, it's like less than half of the price. Alright, toolboxes on clearance. This one's $379 down from $489. Make sure you guys pick up your toolbox and keep an eye out, guys, because there's gonna be a lot of these dropping, as the time goes by. $145 down from $159. And then we got this $442 down from $898. Then we got another toolbox here. Clearance $701 down from $779. 52-inch blue workstation. Solid wood top. Self-closing drawers. Buy one, get one free. You buy any of the select power tools and get a free battery, 4-amp hour battery. Runs up to the 17th of this month. So, a lot of deals. You can choose from any of these kits. That's a really good deal on that one. Then check out, I really like what Tough Build's doing. Now they got all sorts of different things going on, but I really like the dolly that they mixed in this. You can use this multi-purpose. And they got the working surface here. You can put on top of it and just, get yourself a little working surface station on the go. And then you got the full size ice cooler. It's something that I haven't seen before. Really like that they made the big color difference between white and black kind of differences. You got $39 down from $79, the backpack. And then for you EV electric vehicle people, you got some adapters on clearance for the Teslas and all that. And then we got a charger. I'm waiting for that charger to go down when I get my electric vehicle. Hopefully like 10 years, right? All right, so on to the next one, because I just didn't see that I got enough deals for you guys. So this one runs down to the 17th. All those deals, definitely recommend. There's a lot of good ones there. $79 down from $149 for that grill. And then 600 CFM, $179. That's a really good deal for these two guys. That is a killer. Even for the battery, that's what it's worth. That is a really good deal for that blower and string trimmer. We got, this is one's the newest I've seen. The self-propelled Eagle, $11.99. This is a metal deck. It is an aluminum metal deck. It says 700 watt charger, 10 amp battery. You got 3-in-1 side discharge, mulch, bag, whatever. But check out the beefness on this thing. This thing looks like a pro level mower. I just can't wait for them to drop this price, because I gotta get my hands into one of these. I really like what they did with this, the redesign. Now it looks like a mower. Alright, the other one looked like a robot, or like some sort of Lego robot, right? You got $239 for the weed eater. And then, by the way, this is the full line of Husqvarna 40 volt tools. $239 for that one. They are on sale. And then you got the 8-inch handheld battery lawn edger. Battery included. $299 for the 800 CFM 200 mile per hour leaf blower. Alright, you got the chainsaw there. You got the edger, edge trimmer. I really like how they did the controls there on the top. They got some nice lights so you guys will see what's on and what's not. Then you got the leaf blaster from Husqvarna. Again, we got the other controls on the top. And then we got the mower here. This was $949 for the Expert self-propel rear wheel drive mower, 40 volts. And then we got this one on clearance. This is AC chainsaw, $109. And then again, we seen the difference on the price on the Boland's push mower for $209. The other one was a little cheaper. And you got the blower attachment there for $87. Same as the other store. The price is a little different. Check out this mower. This thing's massive. It's huge. It's a 30-inch mower, $14.99. And then you can compare it to the one on the right, on the left side, Looks so small. $6.99 for the Furman inverter generator. That's actually pretty good. I believe Costco has these sales going on all year, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for those. Those are solid generators. Got the foam cannon for $19. And then you got the 1800 PSI Craftsman for $119, down from $139 for this pressure wash. It's pretty good, actually. Guys, we got this. I didn't get it, but I saw this. This is a killer deal. Always take a look at your appliance section for these clearance deals. $849 down to $200 for this gas appliance, this gas dryer. That's a really good deal, killer deal on that one. Whoever gets it's they'll be happy. All right, another clearance, $251 down from $359. It says reconditioned. It looks pretty complete. Looks like everything. It has everything in there. $37 down from $43 for the John Deere. You can probably use it on any other brand. You got a 40 volts brushless mower for $188 down from $269. And then you got the toolboxes here for the toys, or for the tools you want to call it. You can't say that word. $849 for this. And then $39.97 down from $49 for the miter saw. And then regular or an electronic sliding miter saw, $299 down from $349. All right, we got some planers. This is a 13-inch portable planer, $599 down from $699. From the DeWalt's, we got a Craftsman here, $299 down from $349. 15 amp benchtop planer. And then you got your choice here for the Skill, 20 volt, get a free 2 amp hour battery. That's actually a pretty good deal on that one. And then check this out. This one's $79. They lowered the price from $99. It's a really good deal for the Cobalt. Here's another one that's already sold out, $152 down from $179. This one's pretty good as well, $27 down from $34 for this smaller kit. Just the ratchet itself is really nice, so definitely check it out. You got the Pony ratcheting clamp, 4-inch, $898. And then the trailers. These are the utility trailers. These are pretty nice, good quality, $798. And then we got the bigger ones over here, $998. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. I'll probably just leave you guys this clip. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And also don't forget to follow us on TikTok. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.